Alright, so today is a very special day for us. We've been wanting to come to one of these stores for a while, and we found one thanks to a viewer. So, we're at Hidden Treasure Bins in Youngstown, Ohio. It's apparently an Amazon return store, so we have high hopes for this day. Never took a lap. Oh, that cart with a jack of wheels.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Hello everybody. So, we're at this Amazon return store, and I am actually going to go through it with you and probably give you a little bit of a review on this store because I do have some opinions on it. And just to be honest, I thought very long and hard about putting this video out. I wasn't going to, and then I thought, you know what? I know there's a lot of people that subscribe to this channel that are from my area, and this is relatively close to the area. So I did want to give you guys kind of a peek inside the store as well as an honest opinion of what I think of this store. So that's actually what we're going to do here. I'm going to probably talk over some of this video as well as just let it play so you guys can see kind of the products that are in these bins, and you know, maybe you might have an interest in going there, maybe you wouldn't. It's about an hour, well, a little under an hour drive from Pittsburgh, so maybe a little over depending on what part of the city you're in. But I don't know, any reason you might have, I'm going to just give you my opinion on this. So here's some footage of us in the Hidden Treasure bins. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Have you folks been here before?
No, first time.
Well, welcome to the store. My name is Bob. Are you familiar with the bin store concept?
Yes.
Okay. Well, we're like the other guys, except we're independently owned and family operated. We restock on Friday nights, Saturday morning. Everything is $5. Today is $4.
Okay.
Tomorrow is $3. Tuesday is $2.50. Wednesday is $2. Thursday's $1.50, and on Friday everything in the bins is just $1.
Cool. Sit down.
$4.
$4, right? You know?
Christmas.
Protective hybrid case. Yeah, those might be worth. Alright, you can see here the first thing that grabbed my eye was this box, and this box had like a thermos in it, but it wasn't a name brand thermos, so it was like a, you know, kind of an off-brand thermos, and it was $4. Everything was $4 in that store today, so it was probably worth it for $1. I don't think it would be worth it for $4. So after I picked up that tape, I started to think, this seems like a bins version of the dollar stores. There were most of the stuff I was seeing was like off-brand, really off-brand, low off-brand stuff, like that cassette tape, then that small bottle of baby powder. It just seemed like there was a lot of very weird and off-brand cheap stuff. So now I finally found this game. It's a Jay and Silent Bob card game. I thought this looked like something that might actually be worth some money. Maybe I judged a little too quickly. So I had looked it up, and in looking it up, it was worth $6.
Whitening cream. Oh, this is like the bleach that people use for like their butt.
Oh dear. There's a whole bunch of it in here. This place is set up mostly like the Goodwill bins, except there are tables surrounding the area that you're looking through, and those products on the tables are actually priced it differently. So, like for instance, we saw a shower head, a really large shower head for $50 on the outskirts of the table. Not everything is priced at the day. So that day we were there was $4. Not everything is $4. The only things in the bins are $4, which leads me to believe that they start picking some of the really good stuff out and putting it on tables. These are all phone cases. Get a Vero selling you that. Yeah, it is. Smell more incense. By this period of time, I was really just trying to find something I could sell to make this trip half worth it, and I wasn't having much luck. What? What'd you get? Oh look, they're little footballs. Alrighty, so what do I think of that store? Didn't really do it for me. Honest to God, I feel like most of that stuff I could buy at Dollar Tree. There are some cool things in that store. There are some stuff that, you know, maybe you didn't think you need that you might, which is what happened to us. We got some Apple Watch bands, and we got Sarah got some screen protectors for her phone. Other than that, most of the stuff is just, you know, cheap Prime Day stuff that people bought and never used and returned. A lot of it's just discontinued products that nobody really wants, like that Jay and Silent Bob card game. It wasn't a big seller when it came out, and it's not now. There's really no name brand anything in there. Like, there was not a single name brand anything except for maybe the snacks that were there. Those had some name brand stuff in them, but most of those were expired. And I know I didn't get much footage of the snacks because it was not really that great, and there was a couple people in the shot, and I try not to get strangers in shots if I can prevent it. So what did we end up getting? Well, we ended up getting one bottle of Truff hot sauce, which is actually relatively expensive hot sauce, and then we got some protein puffs, which is like a fitness thing, and they retail for $30-$35. We're selling them for $20 free shipping, and that's probably what we'll get. We already sold the hot sauce, as you saw on Friday's video. I feel like if you're there maybe right after they restock, so Saturday morning might be worth it, but then everything's $5, and you run that risk of going in there and then not finding anything. Or the last day where everything's $1, that might actually be all right, but most of the stuff is either expired or just not worth the money. So my opinion of this: don't waste your time. Continue sourcing at thrift stores and, estate sales and garage sales and things like that. You'll be far more profitable than at this store. Good concept, cool idea, but it misses the mark. And the biggest problem I have with it is, it seems to me, just by the tables surrounding that he said are independently priced, that they pick the good stuff out of there. So anything that's going to fetch a high dollar, they've already taken out of their bins and put them on tables and repriced them. So what good is that to us? It's, just doesn't work for me. And that wraps it up. I want to let you guys know, I thought long and hard about not putting this video out, but I really felt like you guys would benefit from seeing this, just because I know there's a lot of people that subscribe to my channel that are from the Pittsburgh area, and it's about an hour drive from Pittsburgh. So if you were tempted to go to the store, maybe this video either inspired you to go or changed your mind. Either way, I just thought I'd be able to help you guys that, and who doesn't want to see us go through a bunch of weird stuff in bins? It's always entertaining. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember, if you haven't yet already, click that subscribe button for me. It really helps the channel out. We're going to be getting back to our usual thrift stores and Goodwill bins and, garage sales and things like that, in the next coming videos. But this one I just thought it'd be fun to do something a little different. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!